India has been crossing one grim milestone after another. Graveyards and crematoriums across the country are operating round the clock. Yet the BJP-led governments in Uttar Pradesh and Gujarat are trying to control data, not coronavirus. Instead of building healthcare facilities, they are building tin walls. According to media reports, the Yogi Adityanath and Vijay Rupani government are severely undercounting COVID-19 deaths in their states. Gujarat, overwhelmed by the second wave of the pandemic, is witnessing a tale of two sets of data, one from the health department and the other emerging from hospitals, officials and crematorium and burial grounds. And there is a massive mismatch between the numbers. On April 18th, in PM Modi's home state, the state health bulletin mentioned 110 deaths. But officials in Ahmedabad, Rajkot, Surat and Vadodara said the actual number could be above 500. On 17th April, Gujarat officially reported 78 COVID-caused deaths. But as per media reports, 689 bodies were cremated in Ahmedabad, Surat, Rajkot, Vadodara, Gandhinagar, Jamnagar and Bhavnagar alone. On 14th April, authorities claimed 73 people had died of COVID-19 in the entire state, whereas reports claimed that 124 people were cremated in Surat and other districts alone. This is the Gujarat model of lies and deceit. In BJP-led Uttar Pradesh, the government is not only manipulating the data, but also putting up tin sheets to hide the devastation in the state. Bodies have been piling up at crematoriums and burial grounds, yet government bulletins have another tale to tell. In Agra on 17th April, the UP government bulletin claimed only 4 COVID-19 related deaths, whereas 48 bodies arrived at the Tajganj crematorium ground in Agra alone. On April 16th, official Uttar Pradesh health bulletin showed 0 deaths in Ghaziabad. But Mahendra Singh Tawar, municipal commissioner, said that close to 10 bodies had arrived for cremation at the ground. Ghaziabad has reported only 4 COVID-related deaths so far in April. But long lines outside crematoriums and cremations taking place on footpaths in Ghaziabad reveal the sad reality. In Bareilly on 16th April, the health department said that there were 7 deaths in the past 24 hours as compared to the 0 deaths reported by the UP government bulletin. On April 13th, the Uttar Pradesh government's official death count was 18, but 86 bodies were cremated. On April 12th, 86 were cremated. The official figure was, however, 21. A day before that, 57 bodies were cremated. The official death count was 31. Similarly, on April 10th, 59 bodies were cremated, but the government's figure was 23. The lies by BJP governments are tantamount to treason. Our people are dying, families are being devastated, our nation is crumbling, and those in power are only interested in covering it up. What kind of Raj Dharma is this?